My name is Parag, Kachalia, and I practice in San Ramon, California. The tip I'd like to share with you today really focuses around efficiency in the practice in relation to rotary instruments. That may seem a little bizarre talking about a bird. Does that really make a difference? And it's not so much about a bird, but it's about logical sequences. So I practiced with my wife, and a couple years ago we started to get frustrated with just the organization of practice as it related to rotary instruments. We wanted a specific bird at a specific time for a given procedure and had to find it. So we sat down with our local representative and started to put together really procedure kits. So I'd like to say everyone should focus on bringing a procedure kit into your practice depending on what you're doing. So I'm a crown and bridge clinician essentially and a restorative clinician. So I go ahead and create a procedure kit for crown and bridge and a separate procedure kit for composites where everything is in sequence in the order I need it. It really helps my team members as well because if something is missing, they know exactly what to look for. So you can sit down with your local reps, in our case it was Comet, and we sat down and created specific procedure blocks with locations and numbers, the burrs, so that if anyone's ever missing in the office, something needs to be done, they know exactly what to do. So my expert tip for today is really to focus on your practice and creating procedure kits to allow efficiency to occur.